You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this German basketball player who plays with the Brooklyn Nets at the moment. He was with Toronto Raptors before. So let's hear how he pronounces it. He pronounces his name Dennis. That's similar to English. Dennis Schröder. That's the German pronunciation. Schröder. Schröder. Okay? So similarly in English it's quite easy to say it as Dennis Schröder. Schröder, not Schröder or Schrouder. Schröder. Dennis Schröder. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.